Today we're doing deep fried turkey. But first, safety. It's all about safety. See this? Safety. Armor. Let's go. What I'm gonna do, look at these gloves. Look at these gloves. See anything like them?
We're doing.
We're gonna take it off the hot oil first. Check
Okay.
this out.
Get that in there.
Look at that.
Nice.
Turn up the jam. Pump up the jam. What we're gonna do is pump up the jam. Okay, you gotta stand back. You gotta stand back. Because what I'm gonna do, it's been brining.
How long has it been brining for?
Oh, 48 hours. Now it's dry. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna drop it in here, right?
Y'all ready? Wait till the plane goes.
You ready?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Show me the money.
Woo! You can smell it.
Look at that. Show me the money, Jerry.
Excelente.
What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put it back on there. Now we know it's safe. Now we know it's safe, we're going back on. Get a little thermostat put on there.
Beauty.
Jerry rig this thing. Jerry rig. This is what we call deep fried turkey. Safety. You can't overemphasize safety. See this? Keep my face pretty, you know what I'm saying? See this armor? Armor. Check it out.
Wow.
Check it out, check it out. Stab me. Stab me, bro. Look at this. Stab me. Just don't stab me up here. Don't stab me here. Stab. I might need
awesome.
that one day.
Yes.
All right. So check back with me in an hour.
Cool.
All right.